The GT1600 has been designed for easy servicing in the field. Unscrew both end fittings to remove the meter from its piping and gain access to its internals. The fitting insert can be removed with any small tool, and the tube slides out for replacement. The float stops are easily removed in order to change the float if necessary. To reassemble, slide the tube assembly back into the GT1600 housing and fix the fitting insert back on the tube. The end fittings are then threaded back on the housing. And the service is complete.